Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AGRX, ATER, HSTO, IGEX, KGKG, LIXT, NUGN, NWBO, OWUV, PTE, RVVTF, and VIZC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. These are day and swing trade, short-term momentum penny stock alerts. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. You can also click the red download ebook to get the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive into today's video. Overall, guys, lackluster week. I'm not excited about anything too much. It's, we're off for Friday, have the Good Friday holiday, got the Easter weekend coming up, Passover, just overall blah. You got the high inflation data, you got the drama in Ukraine and Russia. Overall, big caps are down. People are just uncertain and not willing to put a lot of, risk money to work. Bitcoin's hovering, at 40,000, really needs to hold the 40,000 level. Same with Ethereum, trying to hold 3,000. So, there's just not a lot to get excited about. In terms of what's happening, I would say I like the NASDAQ penny stock market more than the OTC market right now. We're seeing some runners on the NASDAQ. First up is AGRX. Had a nice day today, up 47%, but closed way off the highs. We're bidding higher in the after hours. On no news, we're just getting a lot of these, we're seeing some of these under penny runners, under $1 runners. And this was hot last year. People were just running screens looking for anything on the NASDAQ or NYSE trading under $1 and going in and playing these lotto plays. They were getting pumped and they were running up over $1. And we're starting to see some of that again. The Atlas crew, led by Mr. Zach Morris, he's been pumping a few names. Key is play the pump, day trade it. Don't try to gamble. You make money, get in and get out. That's the safest bet right now. ATER, this one's moving higher in the after hours. I've talked about this one in the past couple of days. We had a clear bottom here at $2. We broke through a major breakout at $3, and we just been a steady climb as the $3 breakout level is held. Overall, though, nothing much to get excited about in terms of story. No real news. April 6th, it was named the 166th fastest growing company in America by Financial Times. We don't have any short interest update. Target price by analysts is $7, so that could be getting some attention by the markets. Next up is HSTO. Mr. Zach Morris has been pumping this one on Twitter. After hours, he went in and pumped up 67%. Guys, remember, he goes in and loads, and then he puts out that he likes the stock. So it's a pump, and then he's going to day trade it, and sell into the pump. So you just got to understand that, and if you understand that, you'll make money. Trading around it. Next up is IGEX. Guys, we're out with an article today for active OTCs: IGEX, NICH, NUGN, and NWBO. This one has been a nice runner off the 0.002. Again, not explosive overnight moves, but it was a steady grind higher. Same with KGKG. Guys, I've been beating the door about KGKG in my articles. They just announced their first $1 million quarter. They're now selling in Walmart. You can go over to the magnifying glass and type in the symbol name, and you can see how much we've been covering KGKG. Also been talking about it in my videos. All it is right there, recap of the week in pennies. Patient OTC investors will be rewarded. It's all right there. Been talking about KG over and over again. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you banked on KG, congratulations, you've been paying attention. Next up is LIXT. I saw the PR this morning. I saw the gap. I didn't send out an alert on it because I knew they were just going to do the typical biotech BS, which they did in the afternoon. They did the registered direct offering at the market. Press release came in at 8:30 a.m. By 1:53 p.m. they were already diluting and dumping on you guys. It's horrible. It's typical biotech NASDAQ BS. If you go over here, the VWAP today was 286, closed at $1.84, trading 163 in the after hours. Guys, you got bag hold on LIXT today. I feel bad about that this is the shit that's going on. If you got bag hold in this, sorry guys, but you got to learn to watch out for these types of plays and just. If it starts going against you, just get out, get the hell out. Not a financial advisor, but just trying to help you guys, as best I can. Remember, sometimes you just got to take the loss, cut it and move on. It'll save you a lot of emotional and financial wherewithal. One of the greatest traders of all time is George Soros. And, I've read a lot about him in terms of his trading. Don't like his politics, but I like his trading habits. And George, what was amazing about him was that he was able to quickly turn himself around. Whether he was long or short, he could reverse very quickly. And he didn't mind taking losses because he knew that, the world was his oyster. There was plenty of opportunities. So if he lost money, he can make it back in the next few trades. So you got to really have that mindset when it comes to investing. And if you develop that mindset, you will become a very, very successful trader and understand that taking losses are sometimes part of the game. And it frees up capital and, you can go and nail the next ones. NUGN and NWBO, not going to get into too much here, but there's go to insiderfinancial.com. The article's right there, NICH, NUGN, and NWBO. It's all right there for you to read. Not going to bore you guys reading an article to you. It's all right there. Link is in the description for you guys. Next up is OWUV. This was one that we nailed last year for our subscribers. Ran all the way to 65 cents, and it's just been beaten up ever since. Karen Courier, our subscribers know her well. Obviously, she's pissed. She put out 2 tweets today. As the fake accounts are being created and the attacks continue in OWUV, please know that the CEO and I are continuing to move the company forward. We appreciate all of you, our long-term shareholders. OWV, thank you for dumping. I am buying back some additional shares. I spoke with the brokerage firm and they said 7 to 10 days for shares to go back to Treasury. It is in their compliance department reviewing the paperwork again. So she's a reverse merger whiz. She knows the back end stuff. Our subscribers know her well from, again, OWV, ILST, a few other plays. She knows what she's doing, and obviously she's pissed, and this is one you want to put back on your radar screen. PTEE, this was Mr. Zach Morris's big pump, was all over this one. But, it really was a great play here. Had the trend line support here held. Guys, I talk about finviz.com. For those of you that are new to charting or don't know how to draw trend lines or whatever, finviz.com does that for you. That's FINVIZ.com. So it's all right there for you. It's a great resource, and I highly recommend you checking it out. Next up, RVVTF. This one's bounced off to 12 cents. They put out big news on their phase 3 clinical trial. Press release hit the tape today. But someone knew that news was coming, and they've been accumulating stock here. So, if you're in on the inside, a lot of games go on in the markets. This is not just a coincidence. So, someone here knew this press release was coming, loaded up, and let's see if the momentum can continue tomorrow. Lastly is VIZC, up 50%. Our buddy Laid Back. This guy really knows his stuff. He tweeted about it today. But I'll tell you, though, there's this drama going on about fake filing or not. I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, if you have to defend a filing, we got problems. There's issues in this play. Pro Stock Traders have been talking about, if anyone wants to look up the filing, confirm, here's the link. But it's just a screenshot. Where's the link? He said, I left the CEO a voicemail. I mean, I never called a CEO. I mean, either they filed with the state and then they put out a pre-R with OTC Markets. Let's see if the updating is what comes out in terms of the update. But again, I'm not going to get in and say whether or not it's real or not, but there's definitely Twitter drama going on with VIZC, and I avoid Twitter drama. It's there's no amount of money worth Twitter drama. Just trying to help you guys. Let's see what comes out here on VIZC. Either way, I wish everyone the best of luck. Still doing our scans, our screens for our subscribers. Like I said, not a lot to get excited about. Nothing worth taking the risk. We had an alert on Monday. Closed up 15%. We'll take it. Move on to the next play. It's all about moving on, making money. It's all about the P&L game. It's not the diamond hands, paper hands BS that a lot of you guys like to get caught up in. But we'll still be doing like I said, running our screens here. Make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. That's where you get all of our alerts. We do all the research so you don't have to. All right, everyone. I want to wish everyone a great trading day, and I'll be coming live to you after the close with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.